In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a QR code on Wix. QR codes are a fantastic way to bridge the gap between the physical and digital worlds, making it easier for your audience to access links, promotions, or important information with just the scan of their phone. Whether you're running a business, promoting an event, or simply looking to add a modern touch to your website, incorporating a QR code can help you stand out and make navigation seamless for your visitors. Stick with me as I walk you through the process step by step, explaining everything so that by the end of this video you'll have a fully functional QR code on your Wix site. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the MEQR website. This is a user-friendly platform that makes it super simple to generate custom QR codes. Once you're there, look for the Create New QR option, which should be easy to spot on their homepage or menu bar. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the next step where you'll begin shaping your QR code. Now, you'll be prompted to choose the type of QR code you want to create. Since we'll be linking to a specific web page, select the URL link option from the menu. This will allow you to direct users to your chosen web page when they scan the QR code. Once you've made your selection, paste the URL of the web page you want the QR code to point to into the provided field. Double-check the link to ensure there are no typos, as this step is crucial to making your code functional. Once that's done, click on Customize and Download QR. This is where things get creative and fun. You can adjust the colors of the QR code to match your brand's aesthetic, add a logo for a more professional touch, or even tweak the shape of the code blocks if you want something unique. Take your time here to make sure the design aligns with your website style. A well-designed QR code not only looks great, but also enhances your website's appeal. When you're happy with your design, click on Download QR code to save the image to your computer. Make sure you note where the file is saved so you can easily locate it later. With your QR code ready to go, it's time to head over to your Wix site editor. Log in to your Wix account and open the site editor for the website you're working on. Navigate to the specific page where you'd like to place the QR code. Think strategically here. You want the code to be in a spot where it's easy for visitors to see and scan. Once you've chosen the page, look for the plus icon, which is used to add new elements to your site. Click on it to open the menu. From the menu, select Upload Images. This will allow you to bring your QR code image into Wix. Drag the downloaded QR code image from your computer into the Drag and Drop Files Here area. Wix will process the upload, and once it's done, your QR code will be available in your site editor. Now, it's time to position the QR code on your web page. Drag and drop the QR code to the area where you think it will be most effective. For instance, you might place it near your contact information, at the bottom of a product page, or in a prominent section of the homepage. Make sure the placement is intuitive and doesn't disrupt the flow of the page design. And that's it. You've successfully added a QR code to your Wix website. If you scan it with your phone, you'll see that it directs you to the URL you set earlier. With this new feature, your site is now even more interactive and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.